Alright guys, today I am doing a review on Heavenly Organics. This is ginger chocolate honey patties. Check this out. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, no added sugar. You can get these at your local grocery store and or health food store. Check this out. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. Okay. But this is what's in there. Can't really see that, but it's 15 grams of sugar. And keep this in mind, it is honey. So ingredients, where is it? Right here. So raw organic white honey, unsweetened or organic dark chocolate, natural ginger extract. So I'm going to open this up and do a quick taste test. Stay tuned. Okay, so when you open up the package, you'll get a whole bunch of individual wrapped honey patties. Okay, so I'm going to open it up from the package here. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, guys, once it's open. So it's got a strong aroma of chocolate, like more like the chocolate from cocoa nibs and stuff like that, cacao. That's basically what it smells like dark chocolate. Okay, so and that's what's in the middle right there. That's actually quite good. You get a lot of that honey, and the ginger really comes through there. It's got a little bit of heat from the ginger. Definitely check it out, guys. It is sweet, though. The honey does make it sweet, so just be aware of that. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.